Today we have the 2020 Hyundai Kona. This vehicle has done just over 34,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as our automatic headlights. On the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access our map, navigation, advanced settings, radio, media, and setup. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. If we press our mode button, we can switch between our 4 different driving modes: Eco, Comfort, Sport, and Eco Plus.